guys, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you my travel makeup bag, or what I take with me when I travel. You guys have been requesting this since you know that I'm gonna go to the US in 2 days. So I was just packing randomly what I'm gonna take with me, and I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna give you an overview of my makeup bag so that you can see how I organize it. So if you wanna see everything I take with me when I travel, then just keep on watching. What I'm packing is because I'm leaving from June 8th till the 27th. So it's gonna be actually 19 days that I'm gonna be out. I'm gonna take a lot of things that I wouldn't take in that size, but I'm gonna take them because they're in my project pan, or I'm taking even more of some products because they're in my project pan and I need to try and tackle them in this period of time because my project pan is gonna be over while I'm away. I always like to pack in the order of how I do in my face, and I always carry a separate bag that has my skincare. Also, you have to keep in mind that since I'm gonna stay over at my aunt's house and at my cousin's, I have a few things there that I already left there so that I don't have to travel with a lot of body things. So over there I have shampoo, conditioner, I have body cream, I have face wash, I have hoo-ha wash. So I'm gonna start with this little bag right here. And this one, I carry random things and my skincare. These I got at Walgreens, and if I go now and I can get more, I will, because these I also use on my kit when I'm trying to separate things on my Suka. It works beautifully for that, and I love when they are see-through, because that way you can organize everything better and you can actually see what you're carrying with you. For removing makeup, I'm taking this travel size from Clinique Take the Day Off, and this is one of those eye makeup removers that I can't live without. I'm also taking Bioderma, but I pack it right here so that it doesn't take a lot of room because I don't have a small size, and those I don't think can fit enough product, so I always take one of these. Of course, I have to take my SPF, and the one that I'm using right now is the Lancome 50 Sunscreen Broad Spectrum Water Resistant. So it's basically this one right here. For nighttime, I'm taking a serum, and it's the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, because the serum that I'm using right now from Ulla Henriksen is huge. So this one, it's amazing and it's good for nighttime, and I prefer to take a small top with me. I have used a huge one of these before. This is one of the best skincare products I've ever tried. For moisturizer for my face, I'm taking the Garnier Moisture Balm. This is the Antioxidant Super Moisturizer, and I'm taking just a sample size, and this one is full. I think this is gonna be enough for the entire trip, but I'm still gonna pack another one that I have that's the same size from other brand so that I'm not left without a moisturizer. For those days when I travel, my face gets super dry, or sometimes I wanna just scrub it real good, and I'm gonna take this True Sugar Polishing Mask by Ulla Henriksen. I love using this, putting it on my face for 20 minutes and then washing it off, and it's a beautiful mask and it removes any dead skin. I'm gonna take also a lip scrub, and this is from Sarah Hab, and it's all I have left. I love this for when I travel because my lips get extra dry. And then right here, I'm not gonna pack it right now, but I take 2 tubs of this one filled till the top with eye cream, because the Saturday Skin eye cream, which is the one that I'm using right now, it's this big, and I don't want to take something that huge with me, but that one is good and hydrating, and that's what I'm going to take on my trip. And then since on my travel makeup bag, this one doesn't fit, I'm going to take this powder. This is a Peach Perfect powder, and this I don't mind carrying the full size because I use powder to retouch if it's super hot. I bake, so I can't take a small top with me because I know that I go through powder. So this one I'm gonna just take the regular size, and it will fit on this bag with my skincare. And I also take with me on this bag my beauty blender. Of course, this one is dirty because I've been using it, but I wash it with my brushes tomorrow, and that way at the end of the night I will pack them and they'll be clean. For my makeup, everything I want to carry with me I take on this bag, and this is from Sephora. This was on sale the last time I went there, and I fell in love with it. I think this is a wonderful investment because I don't want anything too big or anything too small. because I can be an overpacker, and if I don't have that much space, I will reduce the amount of products that I will take with me. So this is beautiful. It has all mesh insides, and you can see right here that you can put your brushes on one side. So then, even though it says like jewelry, toiletry, makeup, whatever, I use it only for makeup and my brushes. And everything fits and it still closes. I only have to carry my skincare separate. And I could even carry my skincare with me on this bag, but since I'm doing Project Pan, I just put a lot more makeup than I should. Two things that I always carry with me are a brush cleanser, and this one has my Cinema Secrets brush cleanser inside, but it's on a Japanese makeup brush cleanser little top. And I also carry with me, I don't use this every day, but I always carry one with me, the All Nighter setting spray in the super small size, and this is good for when I want my makeup to last longer or I want to spray a brush. Since my Fix Plus, it comes in a huge bottle. For primers, I'm carrying a few because I know that I'm gonna be gone for 19 days and I need to finish this for my Project Pan. The first one is the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer on a small size. This can last me about a week. I'm also taking my Cover FX Mattifying Primer on a small size also. And I'm taking my Radiance Activator Prep and Glow by Estee Edit, which is discontinued right now. And I'm taking my Prime Time by Bare Minerals, which is another one that I'm trying to finish. For foundation, I'm gonna take these two from my Project Pan. The Hourglass Skin Tint is one of them. And then I'm taking my BB by Dr. Brandt, the Multi-Action Skincare and Makeup. And it's also a small size. If I don't give myself another choice, then I will use them up. And that's what I'm aiming for. And I have to say, I'm gonna do a makeup lesson over there. So I have to carry multiple colors of foundation and a little kit packed. And I almost always use those on my clients. But if for any reason I run out of these two, I will just go and use some foundation products from my kit. But my goal is to finish these two on this trip. For concealer, something that I'm trying to work on, it's the Bizard 02 Camouflage Palette. And these I've been using because I've recently seen my dark circles start to get out of hand. And this was $80 and I basically never use it. Since I'm going to teach the makeup lesson, this will work for that and it will work to cover my under eye circles. And I'm going to carry only this concealer for me, which is the Naked Skin by Urban Decay. This is on my Project Pan and I do not like this, but you have to carry concealer with you. For my face powders, I already show you the Peach Perfect to set my entire face. And then for bronzer, I'm taking my NARS Laguna, which is something that will work for me whether I'm tan or light. And I love the consistency. I already know this product a lot, so I will know how to work with it. It doesn't matter where I am, it works for me. And then for blushes, I'm taking only two. I chose a nude. If I go for a black or a smoky eye, which I almost never do when I'm traveling, but if I do or I want something neutral, this will be the blush. And then I'm taking a colorful one, which is Snapdragon by Becca. And both of these blushes I have on my Project Progress. That's why I'm taking these two with me. These are both favorites and products that I've been loving. For highlighter, I was debating two highlighters, but I'm gonna only take one, and it's one that I can wear every day, and it's the Anastasia Amorisi highlighter. This is one of my most favorite highlighters of all time. If you can pick it up, pick it up. This is beautiful. They should make it permanent. It's super pretty, and if I take my Dreamsicle, sometimes it doesn't work with me when I'm highlighting the center of my face and I don't want to carry another highlighter just because I want to use that one. That one I have it today in the middle of my face mixed with my Amorisi, but I don't want to carry an extra one, and I don't want that to break on my makeup bag. And to buff everything, I have to take my Radiant Light. I would take the small size, I would buy it, but it's so overpriced that I can't get myself to buy it. So that's why I'm taking my regular size, and this I use every day. So for me, it's not a hassle to take it with me. Another three things that I'm taking with me that are not makeup are my sharpener by NARS. I love this sharpener. It works beautifully. I'm taking my tweezers, and these work amazingly. I'm not gonna plug my brows, but if I wanna put lashes on or whatever, I haven't decided if I'm gonna take a pair of lashes, but if I do, or if I have a hair someplace where I don't want it, like on my chin, because I don't know why they grow there, but they do. I can remove it with that one. And then I'm also going to take my Sweet Shimmer blotting papers. And these I bought at Ulta for about $2 or something. They just do the job. So I always take those with me. For my brows, I take three products, but one of them is not right here. I have to pack it, and you're gonna see it in the overview when I show you how I organize the makeup bag. One of them is the Gimme Brow by Benefit. You guys know that I'm using this as a primer for my brows, and this works beautifully to give them more volume. I'm also taking my Anastasia Duos. And basically the only one that I use is right now is the shade Ebony, because I like my brows to look darker, and it's this shade right here. But I always take a few of them with me because depending on the eye look that I do, sometimes I make my brows lighter or darker, and for my class these three shades will work. This for lighter, this for medium and warmth, and this for dark hair. I'm taking two eyeliners with me. One of them is in my project pan. This is Corrupt by Urban Decay, and the other one, in case I run out of this one, is Rose. These I use to line my inner rim. The other product for brows that I didn't show you is my brow gel by Givenchy. That one is amazing. It's the Mr. Groom, and that makes my brow stay put forever. For eye primer, I'm going to take my NARS Smudge Proof Primer, and this one will work in any type of eyelid, and it works amazingly, and I have it on my project pan. And for a black eyeliner, I'm trying to go through my tattoo liner by Kat Von D, and this is good if I want to do a wing liner and red lips or something like that for my trip if I'm gonna go out, because I know I'm gonna go to a few events with my mom. I'm also taking, to highlight my shoulders, my Benefit What's Up highlighter, and you can see right here how this works to highlight your shoulders. It's really pretty. It will catch the light for pictures or for anything, and it's a small size, but it has a ton of product, and this will fit anywhere. For mascara, I'm working on this one. This is the Colossal by Maybelline, and this is a waterproof one. It's the one that I have on my lashes right now. For eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to take two because I'm working on them for my project progress, and I want to have choices. So the first one is my master palette by Makeup by Mario and Anastasia. I love this eyeshadow palette, and you can tell. And I have a lot of options right here. And I also want to take this one because I need to work on it a little bit more, and I love the looks that I can get out of it. And this is my Just Peachy Matte by Too Faced. This eyeshadow palette is lovely. I've done a couple looks with it already, and I really love it, so I need to show it some love. And when I'm traveling, the kind of thing that I love for project panning is that I have no choices, so I have to use what I take with me. And then I'm taking this single eyeshadow because maybe I will do some pictures. This is the Daphne eyeshadow by NARS, and I love this color. It doesn't swatch as pretty on the hand, but on the eyes you can build it up, and it's a beautiful shade. It takes a little bit of work, but I can make it work, and it's basically super small, so I can take it with me. For lips, there's one that I don't have right here. It's my lip glow in the shade Coral Glow because I have it on my bag right now, and that one I'm probably taking it on my handbag. I'm carrying a lot of choices with me, but they're all small sizes except for two of them. So the first two that I'm gonna show you, there are no surprises. I'm gonna choose one gloss, and the one that I'm taking is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is beautiful, and I'm wearing it a ton on top of my lip gloss, on top of everything. If I want to make it glossy, it's beautiful. And then my Givenchy Le Rouge Perfecto Lip Balm. This is something that I can't live without. I'm gonna show you. It's almost new, and that's already how much I've used it. And then I'm taking 6 mini lipsticks because I love to have choices, and this also will work for my classes. The first one is the Laura Mercier Red Amour lipstick, and that's what it looks like. Then I'm also taking by Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in the shade Beetroot, and it's more of a purpley or a wine shade. I'm taking the Bobbi Brown Lip Color Rouge in the shade Brownie for a deeper nude. The Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang Le Marc lipstick, and this is a pinky nude, and it's super creamy. It's this one right here. The YSL lipstick Rouge Pure Couture in the shade 52, and it's a bright shade. You can see it right there. And last but not least, I'm taking my Burberry mini lipstick in the shade Nude 407, and it's this one right there. So you can see I'm taking basically every single color that I can except for orange, and then a lip gloss and my Dior lip gloss. I don't wear that much lipstick when I travel, but if I'm gonna take pictures or something, I have choices right here, and they're all minis, so I can just basically carry them all with me without them taking a lot of room. So now I'm gonna show you how I organize everything, and I'll be back to say goodbye to you guys. Okay guys, so that's everything for what I take with me when I travel, or my what's in my travel makeup bag. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The products that I didn't show that I was gonna take with me is because I already have them there. And that's basically it, guys. Let me know what you'd like to take with you when you travel that I'm not showing right here, and let me know whatever tips and tricks you have when you're packing. For me, it's super important that everything fits in a small space. I have a business, I do personal shopping, and I buy makeup over there for my clients and bring it here. So I have to have room in my bags to just make sure that I don't pay any extra money for my luggage. Also, I basically take all white t-shirts with me and a few pieces, statement pieces, jeans and shorts and beautiful colorful pieces, and take only white t-shirts, and that will be my wardrobe. It fits in any place, and I only take a couple pair of shoes and sandals, so I don't waste space, because almost always when I go there I'm basically just working. This time I'm gonna go to Boston with my mom. That's gonna be fun. But that's basically all I do and all I take with me. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you're gonna travel anytime soon. Don't forget to go subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be part of my YouTube family. Also, leave me in the comments below what you wanna see next on my channel, and I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.